Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I hope you guys are living a happy and fit lifestyle as always. So this video is going to be about how to be a model in India, how to start modeling if you're a fresher और काफ़ी सारे myths जो modeling से related होते हैं. I'm going to burst all those myths because I personally had a lot of queries in the beginning, and I have acknowledged a lot of girls reaching out to me, asking all their doubts related to modeling. So in this video, I'm going to, burst all those myths, clear all your queries related to modeling in India. So before wasting any more time, let's get started with this one. But before we move forward, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. So I'm going to be starting with telling the difference between modeling and pageantry. जैसे अभी जो लीवा मिस जीवा पैजेंट हुआ था, जो मिस इंडिया पैजेंट होता है, ऑल दीज टाइटल्स व्हेन यू गो फॉर competing in them, these are pageants. Pageantry can be a gateway to the modeling world because you work with the designers who have the big name in the industry. You work with great photographers, but modeling is a career in itself. So pageantry is a way through which you don't necessarily need to be a model. If you go for pageantry, you can continue with what you're doing professionally, or you can build great connections through pageantry. So pageantry can be a gateway to modeling, but it's not a career in itself. But modeling in itself is a whole different profession. So that is the basic difference between modeling and pageantry. और obviously काफ़ी सारे differences होते हैं pageantry और modeling में. तो उसके regarding I'll make a different video, but this video is going to be entirely about modeling. So firstly, how to start modeling if you're a complete fresher, if you're, in a if you're surrounded with people who are in a conventional career path, if you don't have a background in the field of modeling, तो आप completely unaware होते हो कि start कैसे करना है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड गुड पिक्चर्स. और मैं काफ़ी बार ये मेंशन कर देती हूँ अपनी इंस्टा स्टोरीज पे कि इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन योर पोर्टफोलियो, देन यू कैन प्रोबेबली आस्क आउट अ फोटोग्राफर हु इज स्टार्टिंग ऑफ and you can collaborate with him. But at the same time, I would also recommend कि आपको ये ध्यान में रखना चाहिए कि आपका portfolio professional लगे. It should look professional, it should look good. You also need a photographer who can help you click pictures with the right angle, who can really help you build a great portfolio. So I would say, if you get a good photographer who is starting off, then good for you. You can collaborate with him. But if you can't like find a good photographer who can collaborate with you, then I would say that invest in your portfolio. That's the initial investment that you need to put in for having good pictures in hand. And then when you have your portfolio ready, मैं अपनी कुछ portfolio pictures mention कर दूंगी. और मेरा जो सबसे पहला portfolio था, I had gone to a grooming institute जहाँ पे मेरा portfolio shoot हुआ था. सो वो कुछ ऐसा दिख रहा था. एंड yeah, I mean, initially this was the portfolio that I had gotten clicked for pageantry, but ऐसा नहीं होता that you need separate kind of portfolios. आप वो pictures अपने modeling में भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. तो portfolio shoot is the basic, and then when you have a good portfolio ready, you need to, like, if you're a fresher, then there are three ways to start off. You can do freelancing, you can reach out to modeling agencies, or you can also start off with pageantry. जैसा मैंने वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में बोला कि pageantry is a gateway to modeling. As a fresher, if you're able to sign up with a modeling agency, then it's really good for you because the agency will be responsible for getting you work. They'll charge up the commission, from your work. एंड सबका रेशियो अलग अलग होता है. कहीं पे 70-30, तो 25 या 30% कमीशन मतलब एजेंसी चार्ज करेगा. सबका अलग अलग होता है. आई एम नॉट जनरलाइजिंग इट, but you can, like, I'll mention a few agencies that you can reach out if you're a fresher, and for till a period of time you can work with the agency and then you can freelance. But अगर आपको freelance ही करना है starting से, और if you feel that you didn't get a response from the agency, तो आपको freelance से ही start करना पड़ेगा. So you can reach out to designers, photographers by your own self. Send them your portfolio. Be aware, काफ़ी बार काफ़ी designers होते हैं, काफ़ी सारे photographers होते हैं जो अपनी इंस्टा स्टोरी पे डाल देते हैं that they are looking for models available. And उनको आप अपना portfolio भेज सकते हो. Tell them that you are available for work. And that way you can be shortlisted. But for that, अब आपको ढूँढने कैसे हैं designers, photographers? You can you know go to other models Instagram pages जो usually pictures और अपना काम upload करती हैं. They usually tag the photographer, designer, the jewelry partner, everyone. So you can go to the tags वाला option and you can reach out to different designers and people in the industry by your own self if you wanna freelance. और ऐसा धीरे-धीरे करके करके यू कैन कीप अपडेटिंग योर पोर्टफोलियो जैसे-जैसे आप काम करते रहते हो. लाइक आई एट दिस पॉइंट आई हैव लाइक शूट्स in western wear, in ethnic wear, in chikankari and all of those things. I also have um, a commercial which was the very first shoot that I did. It was in Pune and उसका भी मैं एक क्लिप मेंशन ऐड अप कर दूंगी. और ऐसे करते-करते यू कैन यू विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग वर्क. बी पेशेंट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. जस्ट डोंट ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपने पोर्टफोलियो शूट कराया और अगले दिन ही आपको काम मिलना शुरू हो गया. यू शुड बी पेशेंट इनफ. यू शुड कीप वर्किंग ऑन योरसेल्फ, work on your fitness, work on your skincare, focus on having a clean diet, and eventually you will be able to carve your way in the industry. The second most important thing for you to keep in mind is to keep your Polaroids ready. अब Polaroids क्या होती हैं? तो काफ़ी लोगों को शायद पता भी होगा या नहीं भी पता होगा बिकॉज़ इंस्टाग्राम पे आजकल काफ़ी अवेयरनेस है रिलेटेड टू मॉडलिंग और काफ़ी एजेंसीज़ भी पोस्ट करती हैं उनके मॉडल्स के Polaroids. So Polaroids are basically your no makeup pictures through which the client or the brand is able to see how you look naturally. अब no makeup pictures का मतलब ऐसा नहीं होता that you don't have to wear no makeup at all. Obviously you have to have a basic makeup जिसमें आप you can just cover your dark circles or acne marks if you have any. और बट बहुत हैवी मेकअप ऐसा नहीं करना होता है. इफ़ यू वांट मी टू मेक अ वीडियो ऑन हाउ टू डू योर मेकअप फॉर shooting your Polaroids, I'll make that one for you also. Just let me know in the comment section below for that. And your outfit should also be very basic. A basic tank top and a skinny jeans and pair it up with like nude or black heels. बट आप ऐसा कुछ भी मत पहनो जिससे जो क्लाइंट, ब्रांड या एजेंसी का फोकस है वो आपसे हट के आपके आउटफिट या एक्सेसरी पे जाए. इनफैक्ट डोंट वेयर एनी एक्सेसरीज एट ऑल. डोंट वेयर दोज रिंग्स एंड ईयररिंग्स. जस्ट कीप इट वेरी जस्ट कीप इट वेरी बेसिक एंड नेचुरल. और मैं अपनी पोलरॉइड्स अटैच कर दूंगी इफ़ यू वांट एन आइडिया कि आपको कैसे अपनी पोलरॉइड्स क्लिक करनी है. और पोलरॉइड्स के लिए यू डोंट नेसेसरली नीड अ प्रोफेशनल फोटोग्राफर और अ कैमरा. यू कैन क्लिक इट अप on your own self if your phone has a good camera. मैंने अपनी Polaroids अपने iPhone पे ही क्लिक किए थे. And you need and make and try to have natural lighting, but don't click your Polaroids on outdoors. ये मैं recommend करूँगी. Try to have a plain background, like if you have like a white wall जिसके which you can keep as a background and well and good, because you can't have like a very distracting background if you're trying to click your Polaroids. जैसे आपने मेरा background देखा है, there is nothing distracting as such. So try to have like a white wall behind. Try to you know make those pictures look as natural and basic as possible. Now I'm going to burst a few myths regarding modeling जो मुझे कुछ लड़कियों के DMs भी आए थे अपने Instagram पे. By the way, you need to follow me on Instagram as well. I'll put up the link in the description below. And मुझे भी काफ़ी doubts थे before I started modeling. तो सबसे पहला myth होता है that you need to be extremely tall to be a model. This is completely wrong because पहले मुझे भी ऐसा लगता था that I need to be 5'7" or 5'8" in order to be a successful model. But there are many categories of modeling. Ramp models in India, yes, they do have a height criteria mostly, and it is usually 5'7" and above. If you're going for commercials, if you're going for e-com, catalog, there are many categories of modeling जिसमें there is no height criteria at all. In fact, I'm also not someone who's 5'7" and above. I'm around 5 feet 6 inches. तो ऐसा नहीं होता that you need to be tall. फॉर मॉडलिंग ये हाँ, कुछ एजेंसीज़ ऐसी हैं जिनका हाइट क्राइटेरिया होता है, हू डू हैव अ हाइट क्राइटेरिया एंड सर्टेन अदर क्राइटेरियाज़ फॉर मॉडलिंग, बट ऐसा सब जगह नहीं होता है. यू कांट जनरलाइज़ दैट फॉर मॉडलिंग you need to be extremely tall. There are different categories of modeling. It depends on what type of modeling do you opt for. The second myth that I'm going to burst is that you need to be extremely skinny for modeling, but that is not the case. In general, I would still say that you should take care of your health and fitness, not from modeling point of view, but ऐसे भी I think health और fitness आपको अपने लिए भी you should take care of it well. But nowadays the industry day by day the industry is becoming very inclusive. And you don't necessarily need to be extremely skinny for modeling. There are so many requirements for plus size models also, so there is no particular size chart for which in which you need to fit in for the sake of modeling. The third myth is that you can't have any acne or any scars on your face for the sake of modeling. But that is also not true, because जितने भी magazines या billboards या फिर जितने भी models आप Instagram पे देखते हो, they also have their own flaws, because no one is completely flawless. But there's a lot of makeup and editing involved in order to make that picture look perfect. But life in real is not picture perfect. So ऐसा नहीं होता that you can't have any scars or acne. Do take care of your skin in general, because when you're exposed to so much of makeup and lighting, then it also affects your skin. So for the sake of your skincare, do take care of your skin in general. But ऐसा नहीं होता that for the sake of modeling you need to have a completely flawless glass skin. I'm going to take up one last myth, which is that you need to be fair enough to be a model. ये criteria तो कहीं भी नहीं होता है. Not in pageants, not in modeling, not anywhere, that you need to be fair enough to be a model. Your beauty shines through what you bring to the table. Your beauty shines through your talent. तो ऐसा कहीं criteria नहीं है that you need to be fair in order to be a model, because at the end of the day, the efforts that you put in, the talents that you have, the hard work that you go through each and every day, is what is going to define you and your destiny in the future. तो ऐसा कोई भी criteria नहीं है in the world of modeling. It's just a myth created by the stereotypes in our society. You'll never see a professional model saying that you need to be fair enough, you need to be tall enough, you need to have a flawless skin. You'll never see a professional model telling you all this. You'll only see a stereotype in the society who is not in this space giving you all this faltu ka gyan. So my advice would be, don't fall for it ever. You know what you're doing, and you should be confident in your actions. So this was it for today. Let me know in the comment sections below कि और क्या नया आप इस channel पे देखना चाहोगे. In fact, I myself also have a lot of experiences to share of my own. या फिर और कोई myth है जो आपको लगता है that I need to burst, या फिर और कोई भी doubt आपको है related to modeling, then you can let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer it. And as soon as possible, I'll try to be back with some more interesting stuff. Till then, take good care of yourself and stay happy.